Animals and their homes. Dog lives in a kennel. Hen lives in a coop. Bird lives in a nest. Monkey lives on tree. Cow lives in a shed. Bear lives in a cave. Ant lives in an anthill. Camel lives in a desert. Sheep lives in a pen. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Duck lives near water. Bee lives in a hive. Snake lives in a hole. Horse live in a stable. Fish live in a water. Cat lives in a cattery. Panda lives in a bamboo forest. Spider lives in a web. Lion lives in a den. Elephant lives in a forest. Please like, share and subscribe.